98. There's that sweet lady up there. Hey, quit, get messing. Oh man, they don't have the pretty plates out here. Oh, they're over there yet.
What are we going to do? Take movies of each other taking movies?
Did you bring yours too? We'll combine them together.
I got our mountain trip on mine too.
Oh man, you need to make me a copy. Oh, there's a sweet lady.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
Wow,
Look at the bell. We're on a roll here.
I don't want you guys to be crooked all night long.
Who did those?
That's me on right down there. She's very talented.
Did you know you're good? You are good.
I know that.
I'm telling you, those are pretty.
Okay, yeah, we need to put it on my tree.
You face up with Miss Miller. I said, let's have down and talk to you.
Stand up for a second, and let's give him a round of applause.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah! Here's the plan is, I call it, we'll go from 1 to 24, and when your number's called, you get to go pick out a gift over here. Or, you get to pick anyone else's gift, so you need to pay attention to what they get to appraise the matter. So, Ms. Lorraine, you get first choice of all those gifts over there.
Oh, yeah.
You apologize in advance for
You know what this is?
She got a mom
She opened it up or what?
Open it up.
You pray for yourself.
Let me see. You might.
We've appointed you secretary tonight, so if you'll keep notes.
You don't think anybody's gonna push anybody down? What is it?
And our special guest from Casey, Miss Linda Hopkins.
He wrote down.
He's got your number.
He's got all of them.
If you got me, I'd pray some of you.
You got his number.
If you had it, I'll take you where it is.
If they hold something we want, we're gonna go up here and we tell them we want.
Right.
That's right.
And they have, now they cannot take, they can't take your gift away.
I did them do that.
And I think this way you can't take, you can only take it
Not allowed.
I tell you what, David, you can't.
All right, just look at the sky.
Yeah, that would really help you, man.
Oatmeal.
An oatmeal bath.
And our wonderful craft person, Mr. Mildred Boyd. Cheers.
That was in there.
You know, we were there.
You mean like oatmeal like how do you get it off?
There you go, piece in the mouth.
Where's that, tape?
Thank you.
What kind of tax is it?
Thank you so much, Mr. Stacy, for coming. It's your turn.
I bet everybody's gonna be real nice and not take anybody's stuff.
Why if you don't want to give up, brother? I'll get to go 14. I'll be good. This hard rock bill, I ain't getting mine.
Well, if you get $100 bill, everybody's in.
I'll open it up, go right under the door.
Walmart's still there.
They'll do that, never hear them looking at the speaker like you got a emergency.
That's it, man.
Dear Howard's gonna help you here, you guys.
Oh, here goes that. Oh, whip it out fast, Howard. Yeah.
I don't know if I'd call somebody funny names that do pulling the knife out of the
And our wonderful director of Children's Church, thank goodness for this. They come.
That's a good one. I got one. You know what? I missed it that day. That's a good one.
Okay, everybody leave it together. Now you can take someone else's or you can go back to that.
I'm next for.
She took yours, so she gets to go. You can go back and see what else.
Hey, somebody else has got. What am I next for?
Just hold your horses.
You won't get her to get the gift for you.
No.
No,
Because you can still go. You can still go to the dinner.
I get to look out first?
You must have been out here paying attention. I know it.
I won't go home till midnight. Ma'am?
Or you get one from underneath the tree.
Uh-oh.
And our village.
You hear Judas?
I got
You hear Judas?
Don't you think you can do that? Just oatmeal, man.
Just what I need.
Hey, she's got a tail. She's
Don't.
got one of Spanky's tails. Okay,
Kate don't use oatmeal, she uses grease.
That's not.
Do I open that?
Yeah.
Just remember, don't get too attached, so it can be taken away. Except the Lord gives and the Lord takes away.
You don't want
Move aside.
Does everybody see me Christmas Eve? Because I'm getting ready to take this hot thing off with my shorts on. Oh, we don't want much. Let's show ornament. Let's show ornament. Oh, I got you two of them.
Well, this is right there, because somebody
in the deacon's room.
Lord. Everybody sing them at Christmas, all right?
Yes, ma'am, goodbye.
Okay, and Miss Diane Top. Uh-oh.
How much you get when I take one?
Uh-oh, I got it.
Now, would you probably will.
Whether he wants it or not.
You did a good one, Diane. Can I take a swim?
No, that's for Renee.
You understand?
And our director of photography over there is her too. And
You want me to get your picture being surprised?
Yeah, they want to, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, Doug, get it.
See what you look like getting
All you gotta do is push that red button to record comes on.
I say then our assistant.
Great. Oh, she's good. She's good.
She said the other thing you say.
Or you can get
Yeah, she has to do it.
Now, you get to go back to the table.
Picture on there.
You gotta go back.
Or steal.
Yeah, you go back.
Can I take you to one of them?
I have to you can't take it back.
Got some cereal, there's cereal is up.
Can I take her? Can he said that?
No, you gotta go to the table.
I'm not sure, I forgot to read all the rules. What do when a fight breaks out? I'm running. That's the first thing they taught me in preschool there. When it gets hot, run.
Way to go, Faye.
Bless it.
Is it gonna bust?
Don't drop
Don't drop it.
Too many numbers left.
Pretty.
Yeah, I have one of those.
That's better than bowl
That's
oatmeal.
got white.
I got a bathtub old. Uh-oh.
That's perfect.
The fact is that it's such a pleasant surprise that Mount Carmel, our new wife of the deacon, our deaconess. Well, watch out, baby, come and get it.
She's gonna let you do that.
Is the music?
I did good work.
That's no color book.
You get that. It looks like a music box from the bottom. Huh?
Oh, candlelit.
Yeah, what?
Luminaries.
Oh, okay.
Put a little stand and put a candle in it.
Oh.
We got some, I think we're gonna set them up in the front of church the night of the play.
Next time somebody tells you.
Who I've been after for a long time to go down to the water. Miss James Grass.
Uh-oh.
You didn't want start a fight, huh?
She reminds me of the mark. Louise,
I swear she's so nice. I hate to take her down. Well, I know if I take it, she's gonna take it from me.
she got it.
And my choice for who we should name this hall after personally is Lily Mae Bell. I think she told him she wouldn't take it, so they called her Unity Hall. If we had 10 people that worked as hard with this bell, I tell you, I think we'll tell them what we could accomplish. Faithful.
Sorry, hide a dig over there.
Oh, between peril and promise.
Carol and Promise, yeah.
You going home, He does. And one of our seasoned deacons here, he said, wait, thank the Lord for what.
Y'all hold up what you don't want, hold up. Hold up what you don't want, y'all hold up what you don't want.
Where the dove tell you about?
And got it.
They got it.
And got it.
She had it right there, take it.
Oh, he wanted it.
Ask for Louis that.
Whoop. That's taking it around now.
They know what I mean. Oh, she loves. She just means she could take from you, don't she?
Oh. Can I take? No, you don't. I can't take anybody's take, bro. No, wait a minute now. She took
Ann got to get another present, right?
Ann's got to get another present, right?
And she took it up on your ass.
Oh, no, she got it.
Bye.
I said it earlier, that you can take it many times, unless we get into an endless loop.
3 times. Wait a minute, now who's going to get 12? She doesn't have one now, so the present. But she gonna get somebody, look now.
Now you got something nobody's gonna take.
And you get to do something.
I got this. Oh, no, I got some. The same one I got. Yeah.
That's one of the ideas, is to see people at work. So you can, I think the thing is you can take up to 3 times.
So they got to agree. Okay, take it.
So I wanted to keep it track, so.
Well, they keep taking on my present.
All right.
Oh, candle.
Can I keep this one? I mean,
Yes.
no one can take it.
I never had nothing before. I wouldn't get that from them, we can get about $1 million in it out. I'm gonna go ahead right on top of the thing.
There's just all my presents now. That's enough. My heart's been hit 3 times.
I know the candle, I said, like,
Well, see, I'm so happy, they don't know
did.
And our good wrapper of the gifts.
No, I'm not gonna get one. I'll pack
She says she already knows what's in everything. I still think she should get one.
No, y'all go ahead.
Because someone might want to get it from you.
Yeah, but you might, they'll give me one.
You got to, yes, they all need to be open.
No, yeah, go ahead.
Go on. You know what I
I don't know what's in it.
Justin doesn't know, he'll get it.
Oh, you didn't get a number? He's picking up one to give to you, because he doesn't know what's in them. Go get
He
it.
always go with the biggest thing.
Do you like that?
I thought I was gonna be rid of these, I don't want that.
Well, open it up.
So there's nobody else mine.
Yeah. If you don't like it, you can wrap it back up, put that.
She needs a knife.
Really good box.
Did you wrap them too?
Oh, Justin's doing it smart. Forgot what she put in it.
Wrapped it good, Renee.
I was afraid they was right.
Well, I know it.
Oh.
Two cows.
Oh, that's right up there, Brad. Oh, who cow?
I'll probably take that.
Okay.
And a very pleasant surprise around my farm. Mr. Deacon Dale Williams.
Got candles, candles is what you need. Hold up what you don't want.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
Oh, there goes the phone. You ain't getting my gift.
Now you gotta get another one, Dave.
There won't be no yellow.
You don't think it would be that too long?
Can't take the
You
tape.
can't take my tape.
No.
Have fun
No,
with it,
you
buddy.
can't. No, the tape, but you can't take it because it's over in the spot 3 times.
So if somebody takes a gift from her 3 times, she gets another. I got to keep her time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't picked on
If
me.
anyone just been taken 3 times, or if one person's been robbed 3 times.
Me. We got my tapes twice, 2 tapes in my phone, but I got to go.
And he done stole from me 3 times. He ain't robbing you no more.
Big old rough spot. Renee said she's gonna quit, let me go to work with you, y'all over here.
Oh, good, you got the number. You're all tonight.
Envelopes.
My mother's name was Thelma, so every time I see Thelma, I'm just reminded of the friends. It's always a pleasant surprise. Thank you.
All right, who you gonna rob?
He's gonna take her. Oh, my. What do you mean, I know?
I'll tell you what, we'll start back at number 1 and let them pick this out from underneath the tree.
They've got to take my hand.
If there's any left, I don't know. Let's see what this is in the barrel. And the lady who taught me that, oh, I gotta wait to see this is open.
How about number 22? Did you call 22?
Not yet. No.
They take care of her glove.
A dinner
Take
bell.
care of Carolyn.
We listen.
Don't drop her glove.
And the lady who taught me the joys of watching that view.
Hey, handle over here. Don't get these blue cow cups.
Get home so somebody can take it. I tell you what, Dave.
They're afraid of lost
Why you put something under there with number 3 on it?
That might be, you know.
See, I told you I was gonna get something
We
about this.
might.
Hey, that's my candles.
What? I didn't match your candles.
Merry Christmas. Oh, I took them from you.
Now, this is someone that's talented with music, make all the difference in the world. And so many other gifts he brings to us. Doug Thompson.
Yeah, you want these napkins?
Huh?
Get the clothes.
supposed to be a hint.
Neil? Nobody gonna want that.
I'll tell you, and for someone who tries to keep peace on the Ziegler estate, and also who, if you enjoy the fried turkey, Mr. King.
All right, strategy here now. Good
Ain't
strategy.
getting my name. I don't, personally, I don't eat oatmeal.
You already got oatmeal back.
Hey, I got Camel, okay? That is your choice. The tree, the oatmeal, or the globe, whatever you want.
That girl done changed hands 3 times. You
About the trip to Hawaii.
You know, I like Irish Spring.
Get your oatmeal if you want it, Kenny.
Get that other one, Kenny. That shape different.
And you,
Just like you
Kenny,
did
you
on
went with.
Camel.
No, Kenny, no.
You guys don't burn down the house now.
That's pretty. Don't get used to it. You might want to know.
That's right. And someone who is able to lift 20 tons with a flip of the switch. Mr. Howard Nelson.
Uh-oh. I knew it. They're one to have a boy to get you a brother promoted to jail. God bless you.
Now we'll get one out of it.
Okay, buddy.
Let's see, I think we can do that.
No, I didn't. A book. Okay, see, candy? Sock?
17th Bell of Christmas Frosted Christmas Flake.
That's better than the glow.
31228. Let's pull it out and look at it, Dale.
There, you can use your soap, then quit soap, rolling up your soap.
That's right.
There, look at that. Well, you won't have that long.
Y'all better enjoy it just for a moment. This family.
That's right. Put your peanuts in there now.
If anyone I'm convinced that is blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the sons of God. And someone who has kept peace around Mount Carmel, Mr. Deacon Gene Gray.
Now put a globe.
Down to the short and too late.
How many more you got?
There's a rolling pin.
Real upset for the
Oh, yeah.
You gonna put it low?
And our official meeting.
Neil, get that big man out of there.
This is a big old roll of candy.
That's what backing up at the table, they come off your towel,
You'd be surprised.
Flashlight. I That one. Come on now, this next one just so angry.
Line that over to you. What happened to that little bell? Where is
Right
that
there,
thing?
in the box.
How many times you been robbed? At least once.
Boy, now what does she do?
She gets to
Now, this sounds like-
she gets to go to the street or take some from us.
You got a chance to get it. The grand prize is here.
Miss Thelma, you could have gotten me one. And Carolyn is getting the mugs. She was the last one on, she was on the end of the line there. Well, thank you very, very much.
It's Carol's turn.
Yeah, she can take a pic, can't she?
Yeah.
She is special. She gets a and then whoever she kills, most very good. That was fun.
Thank you, that's all. You might help us pick up a little bit. After that, go home and get a good night's rest.
Well, now you did, you got a lot of.
Or better yet, go drag Maine and look at the Christmas lights.
That's always you. Boy, you